Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the projection of lines, part 2 video. Rotating line method, line inclined to both vertical and horizontal plane. And for these two problems, I have take. So one is the distance between the projectors of 2 points A and B is 70 m like this. Okay, two problems. Let me discuss one by one the basic commands. Right, units, lines, offset, move, rotate, and CO copy. Now let's go to the video, and first problem, that is the distance between the end projectors of 2 points A and B is 70 mm. So here they are not given the true length of the line, instead of they are giving, and also they are not giving top view length and front view length. So only the end projector distance and the point A, that is locus points A and B. Point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of EP. Similarly, point B is 50 mm above horizontal plane and 40 mm in front of vertical plane. So find the shortest distance between A and B and by rotate and line method. So everything we have to find out. That is true length of the line also to be find out, and the top view and front view length. So this is a different type of problem. Okay, so first you should know the basic things in the rotation line method. And so basic problem is, first of all, the true length will be given, and the inclination to HP and inclination to VP will be given to you. Inclination to VP, then inclination to HP. Okay, and finally what we get, and front view length, that is front view and the top view, and the true inclination also, when the true length and the inclination to HP and VP, right? Okay, so this is end projectors. What is end projectors? So after you getting the front view length, final front view and final top view. Okay, so a line joining, this is the line definitely will joining the 2 points. For example, let me show you. I give the length. So this is XY line, and so from that I draw the 20 mm above HP. For example, 20, and this is 30, 30. Okay, so I ortho mode on. So this is 30. That is point A projection 30. Now, now I take a line, for example, 70 mm, 70 line length. Okay. Similarly, bottom also I used 70. Now, this is true length of the line. Now, I rotating this line as RO rotate. So just RO, enter. It asking select the object, which object to be rotated. I select the line, press enter. Now which point to be rotated? That is base point of rotation, and so ortho mode should be off. So now I give, so example, the angle of degree is 30 degree. Okay, okay. Now I rotating this line as 45 degree. So rotation, okay, same point. So now it is 30 degree rotate, that is inclined to horizontal plane. Now it is inclined to vertical plane. So I use 45 degree. Now I present minus 45. Okay, this is the line. True length is 70, but it is inclined to 30 degree to HP, and this line is same 70 mm length and 45 degree to VP. And from that, so use the projectors, what we get up to this point. Look at this. Yeah. And also from this point to this point, that is locus point. We call it as locus. Yeah. Straight. Okay. Now, when you measure this, and this is length we called as front view length. And from this point to this point, this is called top view length. Okay. And using the arc, center, start, end. So this point as a center, and this point as a radius. Okay, now draw a arc using compass, you can do, and similarly same center start end and take this point and this point as a radius by using your compass. And for AutoCAD, so it is used for control key. You can change the direction of the arc. Now, what you find out? Now, draw a line from press line and draw a straight line. Similarly, draw a line from this point to this point. Now, joining the lines, this is final front view, and this line is called as final top view, right? When you measuring this using aligned, you can get some distance. This is final top view length, and this is your final front view length, and this is true length, that is 70. Okay, now when you joining this line, that is final front view to, that is end point to final top view, that will connect the line. Okay, definitely it will meet the point. This is called end projector line. End projector line. So I used here. Okay, this is front view, this is top view. Okay, that is the distance between the end projector distance. So here the distance between the projector of 2 points are 70 mm. So what you will get? So final front view and final top view we will get simply. Okay. Now I delete this line. Again I do it. So once again lines, I used to line so approximately 100. Say it is XY line, right? Now the point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Now I take a line from this point, it is 10. And same point, it is in front of VP, that is 15 mm, 1 5, and escape. Now the second point, that is point B, is 50 mm above HP. So now take a point here anywhere. So it is above HP 50 mm, 50, and 40 mm in front of the same point line used here. So 0 40 40 mm. So this is locus points A dash A, B dash B. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is the end projector distance will be given directly. That is the distance between end projector 70 mm. So now I select a line. Anywhere you can measure what 70. Okay. Right. Okay. Now the line will not meet. Okay, no problem. So better I do it one thing. That is I draw the locus point, locus line. See, look at this. Okay. Now I delete the lines. It is locus of B dash. It is locus of B. It is locus of A. It is locus of A dash, like that. It is 70 mm. Now I draw a line from here to here. Similarly, from here to here. Okay. Just you can extend or move the lines. For example, just move the line. This locus point. This is identification for locus point. Now I delete it. So now what I'm going to do is, so locus point is given and end projector line is already done. So better you can trim. So double click, that is TR, trim, double enter. This is the end projector line. That is same this line. Okay. And now you can draw the line from here to here. So what is this? This is final front view. That is you can enter line the change the color, and similarly it is our final top view. Okay, this is also same. I used matching properties. MA, enter, first select this line and then select this line. You can change us to the previous line, same property. Okay. Now the final front view, and this is final top view, we will get it. Now true length to be find out. So true length to be find out means, So what going to be used? We are doing the reverse. Okay. So first what we will do, and inclination from this we can arc. So just to be reversing do it. Now what we are going to is arc center a start end. Now and this point and this point is arc by using the compass. Okay, now holding control key, holding control key, and which point up to which point to be. Okay, now this point. Okay, after that provide the lines. Okay, and similarly arc center start end. This is center point. This is end point. I using the circle here. Now, okay, now extend the line up to this point. Similarly up to now. Again I do the line from here to here. Then this point to this point. This is our true length. I used to take, and this is our top. Now you measure the angular angle, that is true length with the horizontal, that is 28 degree. Or better you draw the locus point. Now you can measure from this to this and this to this 17 degree. True length aligned, select. So 84.41. Similarly, you can measure the same length, you may get it, right? So approximately 85 mm. This is our first problem by using rotation line method. Second one, you see a line LM 70 mm long has its end L is 10 mm above HP, 15 mm HP. In this problem, the top view and front view length is given. That is, top view length is 60 mm, front view length is 40 mm respectively. Draw the projection of the line. So it is very simple. Okay. So the top view length is given. That is this point. The front view length and the top view length is given, and also L point is also given. So what we are going to use? Similarly, I used to draw, so just 80 XY line. The L is 10 mm above HP. Use the line 10 mm above XY line and 15 mm in front of VP. Just I draw the 1 5, right? Now, this is top one is front view length. So what is front view length? It is 40 mm. So just take a line. So just I do to 40. 40. Then front view length 60. Sorry, top view length is 60, front view is 40. Now front view 40 is already drawn. Now it is top view length, it will be 60. Right? Now, so original length, how much? 70 mm is already there. Right? And right now I take arc, center, end, center, start, end. This is center, this is start, this is end line. Okay, so off the ortho mode. Now, okay, like this, I used to put. Similarly, same thing, center, start, end, up to this point to hold control key for this line. Okay, this is arc. By using your compass, you can draw, right? The next step is 70 mm. The length is given. The length of the true length of the line is given. So again, what I'm doing is same thing, center, and the total distance will be I measure. So now I on the ortho mode. That is on the ortho mode. On it is 70, 70. The same thing we follow. Once again, arc. Okay, so now I draw a line from this point to point, this end projectors up to this. Which point I don't know. So this is okay. Now start center. This is start point, and the radius will be 70. Now make an arc here, right? Of the ortho mode. Yeah, right. Similarly, I do the same thing. Center end or center point. The end point will be 70, 70. Now it's the rotate up to this point, right? Now find as a locus. See the line. Right. Also, you can extend. Okay, extend or redraw again. Okay, and this point is not meeting. Right, center point, start and this is the point. Yeah, up to it meet. Arc, center point, end points where it meets. Yeah. Okay. One more thing. It is can extend. Again, I'm doing. Yeah. This meeting like this. Now, using the line, draw the line up to this point. From this line to end point, and make the point. Okay. Now select these lines. Change this to 40. It is yellow like that. Change the line weight. For the differentiation, I used the color and also line weight. And now you can measure the angle from this point to this point. So 31 degree is next one. This point to this point 55 degree. And also measure the line, the true top view length and front view length using aligned dimension. So what is 40? Okay, what we used 60 mm. This also to be 60 mm, and you can measure and check it. We are doing correct or not. So only thing what we have to find out 31 degree and the 55 degree. So this is what the true inclination of the line, because the top view is given and the front view length is given and also true length is given. So only thing we have to find out the true inclination of line, that is inclined to VP and inclined to HP. Also find out. So thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.